Did you know that you can hide or mask sensitive information in your Snagit images with the blur tool? Here's how. From the Snagit editor, click the blur tool and select a quick style. Smooth reduces the details in a capture similar to viewing through an out-of-focus lens, used to apply depth or to blur the details in sensitive information. Pixelate covers up an area with a set of large square pixels. Use pixelate to mask faces or sensitive information in an image capture. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the blur. You can edit the tool properties to customize the tool by dragging the slider to adjust the blur level. When you are finished with the blur tool, click the Move tool to select, move, edit, or delete the objects you added to your image. Now it's your turn.